Hey bass lovers! Are you ready to get the deepest, hardest hitting bass from your car's subwoofer? Today, I'm uncovering 6 common mistakes that kill bass and how to avoid them. Make sure to subscribe for more car audio tips and reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get started. Number 1. Using the wrong subwoofer box. Your enclosure is everything. A poorly built or mismatched box can suffocate your bass. Always choose the right type and size for your sub. Number 2. Incorrect amp settings. Cranking the gain and bass boost might seem tempting, but doing it excessively leads to distortion, not better bass. Balance your settings with the right low-pass filter for clean, deep lows. Number 3. Weak or loose connections. Loose wiring or low-quality cables can weaken the power and signal your sub needs. Double-check all connections and upgrade to oxygen-free copper wires for better conductivity. Number 4. Poor subwoofer placement. Where you place your subwoofer matters. Facing it the wrong way or positioning it poorly can cancel out bass waves. Experiment with placement for the best resonance. Number 5. Power mismatch. Underpowering or overpowering your subwoofer isn't just bad for bass. It can damage your setup. Match your amp's power rating with your subwoofer's needs. Number 6. Phase and polarity issues. If your subwoofer is out of phase or wired incorrectly, it can cancel sound waves from other speakers, killing bass. Test your system's phase alignment for a quick fix. And those are the mistakes to avoid for mind-blowing bass. Which mistake have you made before and how did you fix it? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more car tips and reviews. Let's keep the bass booming and see you in the next video.